When the dies don't cut all the way through, do they need replaced?
Oh, no, probably your mat does, which is what I think I grabbed an old mat. And I didn't have very many layers of fabric on. But your dies are never going to wear out the blades. You probably go a whole lifetime cutting every day on a die and never wear it out. But you will wear out your cutting mat. So if you can see daylight through cracks in your cutting mat, it's time for a new one.
It's time.
And if it's not cutting cleanly, you know, if you've used it to cut, if you only cut 2.5-inch strips with that strip die, then you're going to need to probably replace it sooner than if you're using it with several different dies, because those cut marks are going to be kind of spread out. But remember, you can use both sides of your mat. You can shift it a little bit side to side, front to back, just to spread out those cut marks.